Welcome to our channel, where today you will learn an easy and reliable method to verify your GoTranscript account. Welcome to our channel, where today you will learn an easy and reliable method to verify your GoTranscript account. Verifying your GoTranscript account is essential to access transcription jobs and enjoy smooth freelance work. Let's walk through the process step by step to get you verified quickly and effortlessly. First, start by visiting the official GoTranscript website and logging into your account using your registered email and password. Once logged in, navigate to your account dashboard, where you will find the option to begin the verification process. The verification usually involves submitting specific personal information to confirm your identity and ensure the security of the platform. This includes uploading a valid government-issued photo ID, such as your passport or driver's license. Make sure the images you upload are clear and legible to avoid delays. Next, you may be required to provide some additional details like your current address and phone number. After filling in these details, double-check all the information for accuracy. Then proceed to submit your documents for review. The GoTranscript team will typically review your submission within 24 to 48 hours. During this period, keep an eye on your email inbox or your GoTranscript dashboard for updates. If there are any issues, you will be notified to make corrections or resubmit documents. Once successfully verified, you will notice a confirmation message on your account dashboard granting you full access to transcription tasks. This verification not only boosts your account credibility, but also enhances your chances of getting more jobs. With your account verified, you can start browsing available transcription assignments and begin earning. Remember, maintaining updated information and adherence to guidelines helps keep your account in good standing. Following these simple steps ensures you verify your GoTranscript account without any hassle and join the community of freelancers ready to work. Don't forget, a verified account is your gateway to unlock the full potential of GoTranscript's opportunities.